Welcome to my channel Reviews First, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the top 5 best non-toxic air fryers in 2026? Here are my full reviews of the top 5 best non-toxic air fryers. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. The Tastee ceramic air fryer is a versatile and compact kitchen essential designed to simplify everyday cooking while delivering delicious results. With its generous 5.5 QD capacity, it's perfect for preparing meals for individuals or small families without taking up too much counter space. This 8-in-1 air fryer combines multiple cooking functions, including air frying, baking, roasting, dehydrating, and more, allowing you to create a wide variety of dishes with ease. Equipped with advanced heating technology, it reaches temperatures up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring fast, even cooking and perfectly crispy textures using little to no oil. The built-in smart probe takes the guesswork out of cooking by monitoring internal food temperatures for precise results every time. Whether you're cooking meat or vegetables, you'll achieve consistent, flavorful outcomes. The 24 one-touch presets make meal preparation incredibly simple, letting you cook popular dishes with just a tap. Additionally, the companion app offers a wide range of recipes and guidance, making it easy to explore new meals. Stylish, efficient, and user-friendly, this air fryer is ideal for modern kitchens. Number 2. The Typhur Sync 8QD AI Smart Air Fryer is designed to transform everyday cooking into a smarter, more efficient experience. With its generous 8-quart capacity, it easily handles family-sized meals, including a whole 6-pound chicken, making it ideal for busy households. Its standout feature is the built-in wireless meat thermometer, which connects seamlessly to the AI system, allowing precise temperature monitoring for perfectly cooked results every time. This 9-in-1 appliance goes beyond basic air frying, offering versatile functions such as roasting, baking, reheating, and dehydrating. The non-toxic ceramic coating ensures healthier cooking without harmful chemicals, while also making cleanup simple and hassle-free. With a maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it delivers fast, crispy results while locking in moisture and flavor. Despite its powerful performance, the Typhur Sync operates quietly, enhancing convenience in any kitchen environment. Its smart technology simplifies cooking by guiding users through optimal settings and timing. Whether you're preparing quick snacks or full meals, this air fryer combines innovation, safety, and efficiency, making it a valuable addition to modern kitchens. Number 3. The Chefman Crispinator Air Fryer 7-in-1 is a powerful and versatile kitchen appliance designed to make cooking faster, healthier, and more convenient. With its generous 8-quart capacity, it's perfect for preparing meals for families or gatherings, allowing you to cook large portions in a single batch. Whether you're frying crispy fries, baking desserts, broiling meats, or dehydrating fruits, this all-in-one device handles it effortlessly. Equipped with an impressive maximum temperature of 450 degrees Fahrenheit, the Crispinator ensures quick cooking times and perfectly crisp results every time. Its advanced TurboFry Pro technology circulates hot air evenly, delivering a golden, crunchy texture without the need for excessive oil. This means you can enjoy your favorite fried foods with less guilt and fewer calories. The user-friendly controls and multiple preset functions make it easy for anyone to operate, from beginners to experienced cooks. Its sleek design also adds a modern touch to any kitchen countertop. Overall, the Chefman Crispinator Air Fryer combines performance, efficiency, and versatility, making it a must-have appliance for anyone looking to simplify cooking while maintaining delicious results. Number 4. The Ninja Crispi 4-in-1 glass air fryer is a versatile kitchen essential designed for modern, health-conscious cooking. With its powerful 450 degrees Fahrenheit maximum temperature, it delivers perfectly crispy results while using little to no oil, making your favorite meals lighter and healthier. Whether you're air frying, reheating, roasting, or crisping, this compact appliance handles it all with ease. What sets this air fryer apart is its high-quality, non-toxic glass containers. Available in both 4QD and 6-cup sizes, these durable bowls are ideal for preparing meals of various portions while ensuring food safety and cleanliness. The transparent design also allows you to monitor cooking progress without interrupting the process. Convenience is a major highlight of the Ninja Crispi. The glass containers are microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making meal prep, storage, and cleanup incredibly simple. The included lids help preserve freshness and make storing leftovers effortless. With its sleek design and multifunctional capabilities, the Ninja Crispi 4 In-one glass air fryer is perfect for busy households looking to save time without compromising on taste or quality. It's a smart, efficient addition to any kitchen. Number 5. The Typhur Dome 2 AI Smart Air Fryer redefines modern cooking with its innovative design and intelligent features. Built with a spacious flat basket that fits up to a 12-inch pizza, it offers more usable cooking space compared to traditional air fryers. Its dual heating system, with both top and bottom heating elements, ensures even cooking and perfectly crispy results every time. Powered by smart AI technology, this air fryer automatically adjusts temperature and cooking time based on the food, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced cooks. The self-cleaning function adds unmatched convenience, saving time and effort in the kitchen. Safety and health are also prioritized, thanks to its PFAS-free ceramic basket, which provides a non-toxic and durable cooking surface. Whether you're frying, baking, roasting, or reheating, the Typhur Dome 2 delivers consistent performance with minimal oil. With its sleek design, advanced functionality, and user-friendly controls, this air fryer is a perfect addition to any modern kitchen, helping you create delicious, healthier meals with ease and efficiency.